Yes.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Pushpender. I am from Jalandhar, Punjab. So initially, I have an issue with the fatty livers. So I joined the program from Wellcure Fatty Liver Fitness Program 21 days back. It was a really amazing program. Due to the mm, whatever we taught in the program, to dietary changes, so it will be really help to me. My bloating is reduced to very much. I reduce my weight in a natural way. There will be no medication. So people tell me to take the medicines for this, but I'm not taking any medicine. I just joined this program. And throughout the journey of 21 days journeys was really amazing. So now my SGOT-PT level goes to 16 and 20. So I feel very energetic, very light. And whatever they taught in the program, we have to implement that. And with the implementation, only then we can get the good results. So I implement whatever being taught to me, and the results are amazing. My sleep quality is also improved very much. Otherwise, I'm just wake up at 3 a.m. or 2 a.m. Very difficult, struggling for the sleep pattern. So overall, that program is very amazing. I got it very benefit from this program. Thank you very much. So I just want to inform you all that program is very informative, and it will be helpful to everyone in the family. Now I feel very light, very energetic with the program. Again, the thing is that we have to implement as it is. Whatever that taught in the program, we have to implement that. So the program is very much informative. So all the information, all the knowledge given to us is amazing. So initially, we don't know about the detailed functioning of liver and other body parts, but whatever is taught in the program is really helped to me build my confidence. So I'm not taking any medicines. I'm just doing whatever we will taught in the program. So at the by implementation this, so I feel very energetic and very light, and my work efficiency improved. Initially, I feel lethargic. Um, Process. So now I am very much confident about that. Thank you, ma'am.